This is Tyron Robertson with your RETV This Day in History moment. Attorney and Judge Edith Spurlock Sampson, the first African American to be appointed to the United Nations, was born October 13, 1898 in Pittsburgh. In 1950, President Harry Truman appointed Sampson an alternate delegate to the General Assembly of the United Nations, making her the first African American woman to serve as representative to the UN. In her capacity as representative, she worked on issues of land reform, reparation of prisoners, and reparations of Greek children. Sampson was born into tough economic times in a family of 8 children. Despite leaving school at age 14 to work in a fish market to help support her struggling family, Sampson eventually finished high school and attended the New York School of Social Work. Sampson later attended the John Marshall Law School, earning her JD, and then attended Loyola University School of Law, where she earned her Master's of Law degree. Again, this is Tyron Robertson with your RETV This Day in History moment.